This is the stitch where crochet starts to feel a little different. Like, not hard, just confusing in a new way. Hey crochet friends, I'm Mo, your crochet companion, and I'm here to help you make sense of the stitches that don't always make sense the first time. Today we're learning the half double crochet, and this is the moment where people go, wait, why does this feel different? Because now we're adding a yarn over before you even do the stitch. You yarn over first. And yes, this is where people forget and everything starts to look a little weird. So this is what we're going to do first. I'm going to kind of explain a couple things here for you. So if you decide to start your work up with a chain foundation, you're going to do your first stitch in the second chain from the hook, not the first one like you would do with the single crochet, but the second one from your hook. Okay, I'm not going to show you right now because we're going to focus on just the stitch itself in this tutorial. But if you also want to, you can do a foundation row, which is what I did. I actually have a couple videos out there that are specifically about how to do a half double crochet foundation row. Okay, so at the beginning of our row, what you're going to do is you're going to do a yarn over, or not a yarn over, a chain of two. Okay. You're going to turn your work. And what happens when we do that chain of two is that chain of two now becomes your very first stitch. So that is going to be classified as your first half double crochet. So you don't want to actually stitch in the first stitch of your row like you would with the single crochet. This is important to remember. Now, from here, what you're going to do is you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the correct stitch, which is that second stitch, yarn over, pull up that loop, yarn over again. Well, let's stop and look at this first before we yarn over again. You see that we have 3 loops on our hook. Now you're going to yarn over and you're going to pull through all 3 of those loops, just like that, okay? It's going to look weird because it looks like you've got a big gap, and that's actually why I actually would recommend doing a stacking stitch, but I'm not going to teach you that in this tutorial. That is, I do have a tutorial that is about the stacking stitch, but we're not teaching that in this one because I don't want to keep it simple, okay? All right, so basically that is your half double crochet. It's not too tall, it's not too short, just right in the middle. So you're going to keep going across your row the same exact way. You're going to yarn over, insert your hook into that next stitch, yarn over, pull up that loop, yarn over, pull through all 3. Same rhythm over and over again. Now what you're going to start to see, you're going to see that your stitches are just getting a little bit taller, a little bit more open, but still controlled. Okay? A couple of quick tips here for you before you keep going. Don't rush the yarn over. Keep it nice and slow. Keep it simple. That's part of that trips people up. And don't pull up too tight. So don't pull it up too tight. And don't pull it too loose either. Because if you do, you're going to fight your hook all the way through. And then there's one last thing that I was going to show you here at the end of your row. Because remember we did the yarn or the chain of 2 at the very beginning, and that counts as your first stitch. And this is where a lot of people miss it because and they wind up having a trapezoid or a triangle at the end instead of a square. So most people, they would stop right here, right? You see anything wrong? It looks a little wonky, right? Okay, so here's the fix. You actually need to stitch in the very top chain of the first chain 2 that you did previously. So your first stitch is this one right here. Okay, I'm actually going to insert my hook in there. Going to yarn over, pull up that loop, yarn over, pull through all 3. There you go. If this is starting to feel a little bit easier now and your stitches are finally starting to make a little more sense, you're ready for the next step, which is the double crochet. Until next time, wash the stitches that start to stretch your understanding, and may your hooks never hide.